Hello and welcome back to the Earning Guru channel. It's great to have you here today. We are going to talk about something really exciting. We are diving into a business that lets your car make money for you. That's right, we are talking about starting your very own Turo car rental business. Many of you have asked for a simple guide on this, so here it is. We're going to break it down step by step, no complicated jargon, I promise. Just a clear path to get you started on this awesome side hustle. It's easier than you think and the potential is huge. Let's get into it. For those of you who are new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Graham and this is Earning Guru. On this channel, we solve business and money mysteries. Think of us as detectives for your wallet. We look into different ways to earn, save, and invest your hard-earned money. Our goal is to give you the knowledge you need to build wealth. We believe that financial freedom is possible for everyone. It just takes the right information and a little bit of action. We explore everything from real estate to the stock market and of course, side hustles like Turo. Now before we get into the details, I have a small favor to ask. If you find this information helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more people. Also, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our future money-making guides. Sharing this with a friend who might be interested would be amazing too. We are building a community of earners and learners here. Your support means the world and helps us create more content just like this for you. One last thing, this channel is for you, so I want to hear from you. What other business or money mysteries do you want us to solve? What topics are you curious about? Please leave your suggestions in the comments section below. I read every single one of them. Your ideas help shape the future of this channel. We are always looking for new puzzles to solve and new opportunities to explore together. So, don't be shy, let us know what you want to see next. Now let's start your Turo business. So, what exactly is Turo? Think of it like Airbnb, but for cars. It's a peer-to-peer car-sharing marketplace. It allows private car owners to rent out their vehicles to people who need one. Maybe someone is in town for the weekend, or maybe their car is in the shop. They can use the Turo app or website to find a car near them. For you, the car owner, it's a fantastic way to earn passive income from an asset that is probably just sitting in your driveway. Instead of your car costing you money, it starts making you money. It's a simple concept with powerful results. Getting your account set up is the first real step. It's super easy. Just go to Turo.com. You will need to create an account with some basic information. This includes your name, address, and driver's license details. Turo needs to verify that you are a real person, and that you are eligible to be a host. The process is straightforward and usually pretty quick. They will guide you through every part of it. Once your account is approved, you are officially a Turo host. You are now ready to list your car and start earning. It's that simple to get on the platform. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the car. What car should you use? You might be able to start with the car you already own. That's the cheapest way to begin. However, if you are buying a car specifically for Turo, do some research. Look at what's popular in your area. Economy cars that get good gas mileage are always in demand. Think Honda Civics or Toyota Corollas. Fun cars like convertibles or unique SUVs can also do very well, especially in tourist areas. Use a site like Edmunds.com to check car values and reliability ratings. Choose a car that is dependable and affordable to maintain. Let's discuss insurance, which is super important. Turo offers its own protection plans for hosts. You can choose from different levels of coverage. Each plan has a different deductible and determines what percentage of the trip price you keep. I highly recommend you read through these plans very carefully on Turo's website. It's also a good idea to talk to your personal car insurance provider. Let them know you plan to use your car for commercial sharing. Some policies don't allow it. For more general tips on insurance, NerdWallet is a great resource. They break down complex topics into easy-to-understand articles. Don't skip this step. Protect yourself and your asset. Once your account is set up and you have your car, it's time to create your listing. This is your car's online storefront. You want to make it look as attractive as possible. The first thing renters will see are your photos, so make them count. Take high-quality, clear pictures of your car. Clean it inside and out before you do. Take photos from all angles. Show the front, back sides, and the interior. Capture the dashboard, the seats, and the trunk space. Good lighting is key. A sunny day is perfect. Your photos are your first impression, so make them amazing. Next up is your description. This is where you sell the experience of renting your car. Don't just list the features, tell a story. Is your car perfect for a weekend getaway to the mountains? Say that. Is it a fuel-efficient choice for getting around the city? Highlight that. Be honest about your car's features and any unique quirks it might have. Mention things like Bluetooth connectivity, a sunroof, or great fuel economy. Think about what a renter would want to know. A detailed, well-written description builds trust and helps your car stand out from the competition. Make it easy for them to choose you. Now, let's talk about the details of your listing. Turo will ask you to fill out all the specifics. This includes the make, model, year, and mileage. You will also set your car's availability. Use the calendar feature to block off dates when you need the car for personal use. You can also set rules for your rental. For example, you can specify if pets are allowed or if smoking is prohibited. Be clear about your guidelines. This helps manage expectations and prevents misunderstandings later on. Fill out every section completely. A complete profile looks more professional and trustworthy to potential renters. Setting your car's location is another key part of the listing. You will set a home location where renters can pick up the car. This could be your house, a public parking lot, or another safe place. Turo also gives you the option to offer delivery. You can deliver the car to the renter at a specific location, like the airport or their hotel. You can even charge a fee for this service. Offering delivery can make your listing much more attractive. It adds a level of convenience that many renters are willing to pay for. Think about what works best for you and your schedule. Setting the right price is crucial for success. You want to be competitive, but you also want to make a profit. Turo has a feature called automatic pricing. It adjusts your car's price based on local demand, time of year, and other factors. This is a great tool for beginners. It takes the guesswork out of pricing. You can also set your own price manually. To do this, research other similar cars in your area on Turo. See what they are charging. Price your car slightly lower at the beginning to attract your first few bookings and get some positive reviews. You can always adjust your price later. Great communication is the secret to getting 5-star reviews. Be responsive and friendly from the very first message. When someone requests to book your car, reply quickly. Answer any questions they have. Before the trip starts, send them a message with clear pickup instructions. Let them know how to find the car and where the keys will be. During the trip, be available in case they have any issues. A quick and helpful response can turn a small problem into a positive experience. Good service leads to good reviews, and good reviews lead to more bookings. It's a simple formula. Providing a great experience goes beyond just good communication. Make sure the car is spotless before every single trip. A clean car shows that you care. Check the fluid levels and tire pressure regularly. A well-maintained car is a safe car. You can also add small touches to impress your renters. A bottle of water in the cup holder or a phone charger for them to use can make a big difference. These little things show you go the extra mile. They are what renters will remember and mention in their reviews. It's all about creating a professional and welcoming experience for every guest. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the world of Turo. I hope this guide has given you the confidence to kickstart your own car rental business. Remember to use resources like Turo.com, Edmunds.com, and NerdWallet to help you along the way. Your journey to earning passive income with your car starts now. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the Earning Guru channel for more guides just like this one. We are building an amazing community of people who are passionate about financial independence. We'd love for you to be a part of it. Until next time, keep earning.